So hello guys, today we are going to see how we can integrate apps with data services. So what is data services? Data services basically used to store information. Okay, data service is used to store the information, whatever you are going to store under that. It is a kind of data table which is going to provide a real-time tracking thing into the apps. Okay. So let us see how we can create a entity into data services. So what is entity? Entity is a kind of instance which is going to give you some kind of fields. Uh, which is going to be default fields, and you can add your fields as well, and which is going to be helpful to work with apps. So let us see how we can store information in data service directly from here manually, and we will see this information into the UiPath apps. So basically, I'm creating a new entity that is going to be test this, and then save. So once I'll save, it is created, you can see. So once I'll click here, you can see this is going to give me this by default field, that is ID, created time, created by, update time, and all information it is going to give me by default. Now I'll go and create new fields according to my requirement. So I'll go here and create it like company name. So it is going, we can select data type from here. Okay. And then I will save it. After that, I'll create one more field that is going to be company code. And then I'll save it. I'll create one more field that is going to be ID. If I wanted to go for ID, then I can save it. Otherwise, I can create a kind of default. Okay, then I'll save it. So these three I have, it is not considering this because this is default. So it is going to give you the error. So let us go ahead with the two fields, that is going to be company name and company code. So now we are going to add the values. So how we can add? There is a tab like add data. So once I'll click on add data, it is going to give me information. Company, like company is a kind of, company is Sam Smith, and code is S001. Save. Then I'll add one more data, that is going to be Shura, company is Shura, and then code is S004, and then save. Now the thing is how we can print this data into the UiPath apps. So I'll go to UiPath app, I'll create a new app like practice DS, data services, and then I'll create. Once I'll create, it is like our earlier video, we can see it is giving us the dashboard. So I'm taking this one for now. Is created. Now I am going to show that data into the data table. So I'll go here, go to display data, and I'll take a data table here. Table. Now I'm going to bind this table to that data service. I'll click here, press equal to, and then I'll add the entity. Next, I'll select the data service and add data. It got added. Now I'll go to table and I'll map this. So I'll click here and I'll select this test this. You can see by default it is going to come here. If we wanted to arrange, we can arrange it like this. Okay, and then I will run it. Once I run it, you can see this is going to give us the live data. We do not require any kind of automations to run in background. It is going to give us the data directly. So this is very reliable. So this is how you can integrate UiPath app with data services. Thank you.